Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the lecture of Daily, and this is session number 19. Now we have started the third unit. All of you know that, okay? And I have dropped the syllabus of unit number 3 in our group yesterday itself. The unit appears to be very small કારણ કે યુનિટ 3 ની તમે ઇન્ડેક્સ જો તો તમને એવું લાગશે કે આ તો સાવ નાનું છે પણ એવું નથી. This unit is larger than unit 2, remember, and this one is the most important unit of the whole syllabus of SEM 5. Now, speaking of unit 3, we have already completed exercise number 12 that was out of the first unit in my previous session number 18, and even in the present session number 19 we are going to continue with one more exercise of payments and receipts, right? Accounting voucher entries આપણે લર્ન કરી રહ્યા છીએ. તમારે યુનિટ નંબર 3 માં બે ટાઈપની વાઉચર એન્ટ્રીઝ આવે છે, accounting voucher entries and inventory voucher entries. Out of that we have picked up the first, that is accounting vouchers. I have already showed accounting vouchers to you. Here it is on the gateway, accounting vouchers. એમાં તમે enter થાવ એટલે અહીંયા આગળ right hand side માં બધા vouchers આવે, starting from contra, payment, receipt, journal, sales, credit note, debit note, and purchases. Accounting vouchers માં આ બધી entries આવે છે. પછી આપણે inventory vouchers માં જશું. ત્યાં સુધી આપણે પહેલા one by one બધા ટાઈપના accounting vouchers ની entry કઈ રીતે થાય એ આપણે શીખી રહ્યા છીએ, right? In the previous session also we entered some payment entries and some receipt entries, and the same exercise continues for today also. Exercise number 13 tamari પાસે જ છે, and it is there on the screen also. Just look at over here. We have got 10 transactions, and these 10 transactions are either payments or receipts. એટલે આજની એક્સરસાઇઝમાં one more time આપણે payments અને receipts એ બે જ આપણે શીખવાના છીએ. From next lecture onwards we will start another two vouchers. In tomorrow's session we will deal with the vouchers of purchases and sales. એ આપણે આવતીકાલે કર એ રીતે બબ્બેની પેરમાં આપણે પહેલા બધા વાઉચર્સ વન બાય વન લર્ન કરી લઈએ, પછી આપણે એવી એક્સરસાઇઝ લેશું કે જેમાં આ બધા વાઉચર્સ મિક્સ આપેલા હોય અને આપણે એનું સિલેક્શન કરવાનું હોય. એ હજી આગળ આવશે, વાર લાગશે. So this particular question is again focusing on the payments and receipts. Not only that, you refer the instruction right over here. Record the following transactions in the books of Morgana Limited and show the following. You have to display these 4 items. You have to display day book, then cash book, then profit and loss account, and the balance sheet. Those of you who are practicing at home, they will have to display all the 4 items one by one and take the screenshot or just save in PDF and share the same PDF or screenshot in our WhatsApp group. ઓકે એટલે તમારે એક એક્સરસાઇઝમાં 4 વખત એટલે આ ચારે ચાર આવે તો પેલા ડિસ્પ્લેમાં એ ચારે ચારના સ્ક્રીનશોટ્સ કે PDF ગ્રુપમાં શેર કરવાની થશે. પણ એ પહેલા આપણે કઈ ખાલી ડે બુક, કેશ બુક, P&L એકાઉન્ટ ને બેલેન્સ શીટનો ફોટો પાડી અને ગ્રુપમાં મૂકવાનો નથી. બરાબર છે? પહેલા તો આપણે આ 10 એન્ટ્રીઝ છે. We have got 10 transactions and we have to record the 10 transactions in the books of Morgana Limited. And that means we will create a new company known as Morgana Limited, and then after we will see what we can do. Let us go back to the gateway of Tele, and you create a new company by pressing Alt F3, company info, and in that menu you go to create company, and the window for creating a new company will open, right? So now you give the name, Morgana Limited. What should be the ultimate address? Just Borivali. I know one address of Borivali. In Borivali, they have one area known as Chikuwadi. Yeah, it is there in Borivali. If you have ever visited Borivali, I frequently visit, so that is why I know it. In India, and since it's the address of Mumbai, and Mumbai is situated in Maharashtra, not in Gujarat, remember. Pin code as usual, we have a universal pin code, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6, that's it. It is common all over India. For testing purpose, over here I am putting 1419 to avoid any issues for recording. And here you can see that the company is created and it is appearing right over here on gateway. Now that was step number 1, creation of company. Step number 2, you have to open various ledger accounts. Before you start the entries, you must have the list of accounts ready so that you can select from them. કોઈ મને એમ કહે કે આપણે accounts open કર્યા વગર સીધી accounting voucher માં જઈ પેમેન્ટ હોય તો પેમેન્ટમાં અને રિસીટ હોય તો રિસીટમાં એન્ટ્રી કરી શકીએ, તો એવું પોસિબલ છે નહીં. એવી ઘરની ધોરાજી આપણે કરવાની છે નહીં, and Tele will never support such ઘરની ધોરાજી, right? So we need to prepare all the accounts one by one, and for that you remember આપણે last week માં શું કરેલું હતું? આ બધાનું એક લિસ્ટ બનાવેલું હતું. આ બધાનું એક લિસ્ટ બનાવેલું, અથવા તો લિસ્ટ ન બનાવો તો આપણે આમાં ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન્સ રીડ કરતા જઈએ, લિસ્ટ એની મેળે મેળે બની જ જાય ને, એમાં કોઈ મોટી વાત તો છે નહીં. પહેલા લિસ્ટ બનાવો અને પછી લિસ્ટમાં જોઈને આપણે ટેલીમાં અકાઉન્ટ બનાવે. That is one way, that is a good option, right? Good method. You can go that way also. Otherwise, you just go on reading the transactions one by one, and accordingly you open the various ledger accounts, right? So let us go that way. We are in Tele. કેવી રીતે આપણે અકાઉન્ટ ઓપન કરીએ છીએ હવે તમને બધાને યાદ છે, બરાબર છે? અને યાદ ન હોય તોય તમારે હાથ પાડી દેવાની કે યાદ છે. એટલે શું છે, મને થોડું મોટિવેશન રહે કે ના સ્ટુડન્ટ્સને બધું યાદ છે જ. આમ તો જો કે તમે ટેલીના સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ છો, રિમેમ્બર, and Tele batch is always a premier batch, an elite batch, right? એટલે they enjoy the superiority over other students. We are the students of Tele, right? So, my dear premier group, you must be knowing that accounts are open in this section. The first option on gateway of Tele is accounts info. We are not supposed to create any groups like South India, North India. આવી આપણે એવું કર્યું હતું, ખબર છે ને? ગોળ 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 આખું હતું. We have to open ledger accounts, and again under ledger account, either single or multiple, and we create via multiple route. When you open multiple ledger, then under group ma તમે all items આપો છો. You know that, all items. Now let us move on. First transaction, goods sold for cash, 5 lakh. Should we open cash account? Should we open cash account? No, right? Cash account is by default opened by Tele. We don't need to, but we have goods sold, so it will be sales account. Sales account. Under which group you will put sales account? Obviously, group name is also sales accounts. And there is no opening balance. See, make no mistake about that. When you are opening the accounts for voucher entries, at that time you should not put any opening balance right over here, or there will be a big mistake at the end of the exercise. Till then you will not notice anything. So leave opening balance. Then number 2, rent received. Rent account or rent received account. See, the word account, A/C, must be there. Rent received, it's a kind of income and it will make an indirect income, right? Put it under the group of indirect incomes. Watch it carefully, my students, my premier students. Then which is the next transaction? It is salary paid. You can open salary account or salary paid account, or salary expense account, whatever. Salary is a direct expense or indirect expense, you know that? It is an indirect expense. મેં તમને કહ્યું તું, ખબર છે ડાયરેક્ટ ઇનડાયરેક્ટ કોને કહેવાય? ટ્રેડિંગ અકાઉન્ટની એન્ટ્રીઝ ડાયરેક્ટ એન્ટ્રીઝ કહેવાય, whether direct expenses or direct incomes. And the entries that appear in profit and loss account would be either indirect expenses or indirect incomes. એ બી તમે લખી રાખજો, so that that can be useful to you. After salary paid, in entry number 4, we have office expenses paid. Office expenses account or office expenses paid account. Again, that will be part of indirect group, indirect expense group. Then number 5, loan borrowed from ICICI Bank. So here we will wait and discuss which account will be opened right over here. Should it be ICICI Bank account or ICICI Bank's loan account, or both? Just think about it. See, we are borrowing loan from ICICI Bank. We don't have any account in ICICI Bank. We are taking loan from that. Okay, so there will be only one account involved, loan from ICICI Bank. It's a loan, and under loan group we are borrowing, so it is not an asset but it is a loan liability. It is loan liability. Then Then number 6, read it. Interest on investment received. Again, it's kind of income. Interest on investment account. It is kind of indirect income, right? Another example of indirect income. Is it done? Goods purchased for cash. Again, no cash account to be prepared, but we will prepare purchase account right over here. Purchase account. Under which group? Purchase account group. Then number 8. One of our customers, Atkinson, deposited 50,000 in our bank account with HDFC directly. That means we are having bank account in HDFC Bank. So we will prepare two accounts, HDFC Bank account and Atkinson account, right? So the first HDFC Bank account under bank accounts, and then Atkinson account. You might be surprised that I'm always finding very, very odd and strange names. No familiar names at all. Atkinson's પાસેથી આપણને amount મળી છે. He is our customers and customers are known as debtors, right? So Atkinson is our debtor. Atkinson's account is hereby opened. Still we have got two more transactions left. Stationery expenses are paid and advertisement expenses are also paid. So two more accounts to be opened. Stationery expenses account under which group? Indirect expenses. And then the last account, advertisement expense account. That is also kind of indirect expense. So total 11 accounts are there, and plus one cash account that is already prepared in the system. એ સિવાય આપણે 11 accounts બનાવ્યા છે. So there are total 11 accounts involved. હવે પછી માની લો કે આપણે ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન્સ રીડ કરતા હોય, કોઈ અકાઉન્ટ એવું આવી જાય અને આપણે અત્યારે અકાઉન્ટ ઓપન કરતા ભૂલી ગયા હોય, તો ત્યારે ને ત્યારે આપણે ઓન ધ સ્પોટ ઓપન કરી જ શકીએ છીએ. યુ નો ધેટ, રાઈટ? આપણે એના માટે શું પ્રેસ કરીએ છીએ? ઓલ્ટર C. You press Alter C and you can create a new account on the main screen itself. For that purpose, you don't need to go back. Save કરીને પાછું આપણે ગેટવે ઉપર જવાનું, પાછું લેજર ઓપન કરવાના. That is not required, right? Alter C and you can create. But I think that this list is final. 11 accounts are all enough. And before we leave the screen, we have to save it. Accept my yes આપી દો. And our accounts are created. Once again, I repeat that suppose you have created all these accounts and you want to see, then you have to go to display under single ledger, not in multiple ledger. Display કરવું હોય તો પાછું single ledger માં જ જઈ અને આ તમે લિસ્ટ અહીંયા જોઈ શકો છો. અને અહીંયા આગળ તમે જોશો કેશ અકાઉન્ટ ઓટોમેટિક એમાં બતાવશે જ. અને એવી જ રીતે એક આ અકાઉન્ટ પ્રોફિટ એન્ડ લોસ અકાઉન્ટ પણ તમને ત્યાં આગળ શો કરશે. બરાબર છે? તો આ રીતે આપણે એક્સરસાઇઝ નંબર 13 ગેટવે ઉપર આવી જઈએ. એક્સરસાઇઝ નંબર 13 માં આપણે બધાએ બધા અકાઉન્ટ્સ ઓપન કરી લીધા. Let me tell you that today's session is divided into two parts. Part 1, Part 2. This was Part 1. અને Part 1 માં આપણે અકાઉન્ટ્સ બનાવી નાખ્યા છે. So with that, Part 1 comes to the end. Or you can call this 19.1. 19.1 comes to the end. Now we will take a short break, right? ચા પાણી પી આવો, નાસ્તો કરી આવો, જમી આવો, બારે ફરી આવો. And then we will start 19.2. And in that, we will start the journal entries. Till then, See you all.